In 2016, the University of Colorado implemented a massive software upgrade project impacting over 30,000 employees. Our team had supported major software upgrades in the past, but this time we needed to take a new approach. We used to create full-blown training courses with websites, screencasts, and PDF guides. For this upgrade, most of our users only needed a couple minutes of help on a specific task. So we looked for something more nimble and flexible, something that met the just-in-time needs of employees who had work to do now. Enter H5P, an open-source toolkit for designing interactive content for the web, as well as for content management systems and learning management systems. Using H5P gives us the flexibility to build microlearning content for all of our audiences, from new users to experts and everyone in between. We can also move more quickly without having to learn a bunch of code and without spending a lot of money. Here's an example of an H5P flashcard. We can embed this flashcard on a web page or in a learning management system, and users can interact with it and get feedback on their response. It works on desktops as well as mobile devices. Down the road, when we need something more robust, we can collect many H5Ps into a larger lesson, or customize a set of them for specific audiences. Eventually, we found we'd built a rich library of interactive content to be used in all kinds of learning, from a simple comprehension check on a page to a full-blown comprehensive training course. This enabled us to tackle learning opportunities of any size, including niche topics that would never get a full course design. When we say interactive, we mean it. H5P comes with over 24 microlearning interactions to create rich learning experiences. There are dialogue cards, drag and drops, fill in the blanks, flashcards, memory games, and a whole lot more. H5P content is so modular it can be included in almost anything online: websites, online courses, email campaigns. Embedding them is as easy as embedding a YouTube video. Here's an example of a hotspot H5P. This allows us to see if users understand how to use an interface. Depending on where they click, they get feedback on their answer. If they get it wrong, they get a hint about the right answer. Since this was all new, it was important for us to know if it was helping users learn. During our big software upgrade, we were able to keep track of which H5P content was being used and where people were getting stuck. It was also important for our content to be agile. There were times when the system changed after training had already started. In the past, this created a problem as we rushed to deliver updates to training content spread across many platforms and formats. With H5P, we update the content once and changes are reflected everywhere. One of our favorite discoveries with H5P was the ability to improve upon our existing video content. Screencasts from previous projects can be easily imported from YouTube and turned into interactive videos. Using a toolkit like H5P to create microlearning content has enabled us to be more nimble in tackling the challenges of communication and training across our institution. Now we can rapidly prototype, refine, and deploy content that helps our staff and teachers do their jobs more easily.